I just wanna make you mine. Mine, mine, mine. Mine. Mine, mine, mine. I just wanna make you mine. Mine, mine, mine. Mine. Mine, mine, mine. I just wanna make you mine. Mine, mine, mine. Mine. Mine, mine, mine. I just wanna make you mine. I just wanna make you. I just wanna make you. I just wanna make you. Mine. Mine, mine, mine. Mine. Mine, mine, mine.
Wagwan, beautiful people. Welcome back to the vloggy vlog. It is a Sunday. It's a Sunday, right? This coming week is about to be active. It's about to be active. It's about to be a vibe, a real vibe. Like, I can't wait for this week. Like, but y'all are gonna see later. Y'all gonna see as we progress inside this video. So today, Simba and I are about to go downtown to this restaurant called Chubby's. It's a Caribbean infused. Is that how you say that? Infusion? It's not an infusion. It's just a Caribbean restaurant called Chubby's downtown. So you know, we feel for some niceness. So we're gonna do that today. That's why we're all dressed up, and we're collecting our Caribana costumes. So Simba and I are doing Carnival in Toronto together.
What's my music for?
Huh? Because I'm vlogging.
You know you're supposed to touch a black man.
You know, the last vlog, everybody was like, where's the man of the hour? Where's Simba? Like,
I don't understand. Listen, I ain't tell her, stop leaving me home.
Stop leaving you
Stop leaving me
home?
home. I need to be outside.
You're
outside too.
Well, we're gonna be outside this week. We're going to Caribana. I'm telling them that
you gotta keep up with me because
I know I can't because
I am on a speed. So if you need a pre-workout, let me know because
I don't know if I can keep
I
up.
can be
Simba,
up, down, left, right, side. This is my first carnival in a long time.
Simba, this is Simba's element, okay?
That's a crazy man on the road.
He's from the small islands. You know, the Antilles, them love them soca and carnival and all these things. So this is Simba's element. You know, when I do carnival in Jamaica, I go by my own pace. Okay, but we're doing it with Simba. So
up, down, side, left, right, jump, duck, everything. So you're gonna have to take off your slow motion and you have to put on your fast forward because it's speed, we speeding.
I'm gonna try. No promises, but I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try my hardest. I'm gonna try my best to keep up with something. You know, so I'm gonna get tired.
And why you come out here running like Sharika and Shelly-Ann, I like want you bunny out in the first race. I want you come middle. I want you middle.
Simba, shut up. So that's the vibe for today. We're gonna pick up these costumes and we're gonna head to dinner.
So do the wings we did it.
And could we get straws? Sure, yeah.
Hey y'all, so I know y'all miss me. Let's give me y'all a little FaceTime. Happy Poppy's back.
You already did the chicken patties, right? Sure. And the side of the fried okra.
Hey baby, if I could fall. Oh, sorry.
Everybody want to see the man of the hour.
The man of the hour. Ain't nobody trying to see you, Otis.
That's crazy. My mother didn't name me Otis, so I don't know what you're talking about.
Where mother named you? It wasn't Simba either.
My mother named me Simba. It was
a Simba. It doesn't say Simba on your birth certificate.
Well, my birth certificate wasn't granted by my mother. You don't know that he wasn't there. Anyhow.
His name is something Simba.
Yeah,
but
listen here.
he would have to be the one to tell you this man is a fraud.
Oh, he's not no fraud.
A fraud. God.
My mother called me Simba, I can call myself Simba.
So we just ate.
Eat too much, that's the problem.
Yeah, we ate too much. So we're heading.
I have guy walking on almost.
Yeah. Okay. So right now we are about to go to the movies. We were eating and we're like, you know what? We haven't seen Thor as yet, so we're gonna see.
Was like, I didn't see Thor yet. I had plans to go gym because Caribana is in 5 days. So 5 days, about 5 days, 5-6 days. You understand?
Okay.
And I had a certain goal, a certain vision in mind.
Okay, but if it's not gonna happen, it's not gonna happen in 5 days.
You don't know that.
So anyways,
yeah, oh my God.
So we're gonna see Thor at the VIP movie theater. So that's what we're gonna do. Oh shit. I'm like, y'all ever eat and you like can't talk because you're so full? So we're gonna do that and see how the night goes. Today is, what day is today? Today is Thursday. Yes, it is Caribana weekend. You know they don't call it Caribana anymore?
Call it Caribana. Well, the people, the Caribbean people still call it Caribana.
Yeah, I think it's called some Festival of Caribbean Heritage, whatever. So it's a very festive weekend. Right now I'm heading to the Shea Moisture event, and it's very much Caribbean inspired, like the kickoff for the weekend type of thing. So that is where I'm heading right now. So Simba is about to drop me off. He has somewhere else he's going, another party.
I got my pre-warm up.
Simba gonna get him pre-warm up. Walk up.
I talked to my coworkers today. I say, what if you would have denied my request for this weekend?
I wouldn't say, where are you going?
So I tell them, I don't care age, tell them I'm denying me my religious belief.
Not your religious, your cultural.
My religious.
It's not, there's nothing
religious for me. To religious for me.
It's just a cultural.
You can't tell me that. You don't know who I worship. I worship.
All you had to say was a cultural thing, and you're celebrating the, you know where you could hit them with carnival celebration of emancipation.
That's what I said. I said, do you want to
so you know, you can't deny that.
Me my right to celebrate my freedom? Would you want to be that guy?
Super is crazy. Yeah, so that's what we're doing today. I have this cute little outfit on. Ooh, too much boobs. And this skirt and all that fun dangles. I didn't even get to really show you guys before I left because this week is just on go. Okay, so the only time I really get to pick up the camera is when I actually get inside the car. But I'm gonna be vlogging at the event, so y'all gonna see what it's about. I don't know what it's about, honestly, apart from say it's Caribbean infused and all that, but I don't know what the event is itself. What is it?
When you go to this show you.
Yeah.
Why are you showing pictures of my hair?
Show the pictures of your hair?
And that's over my invite because I don't understand.
Where you say you need from your invite? Look, ooh, should have looked on the luscious black hair.
Like, where's my invite?
Where's your invite?
I try to be
next time I got demand a +1.
Yeah, because
to these hair events. Exactly.
Like, men don't get highlighted enough in this space, and I want to talk about it. I'm ready to have a TED talk about it.
Oh yes.
My skin is still glowing. I went to a facial this morning.
Yeah, Simba went to get his facial.
I've been stop putting the camera out my face. Give me a little pan up now. Give me a little pan up.
A little pan up.
Yeah, so I've been doing my self-care prep this weekend. I went to my cryotherapy session, freeze my body up, make sure the muscles loosen and tense for when I gotta walk up on the road. You know, when I get a facial this morning, make sure my skin is blemish free. You feel me? And yeah, so we prepped up. The hair done.
The skin glowing.
I went carrying my shots to the tailor today because it was like too long. It was like by my knee. I wanted a little above my knee because I've been walking legs, so I want to show my thighs. You understand? I think Chev approved the shot. So like when you're in high school, you're shot out, you're cut.
I didn't shorten.
Like, I didn't shorten. Catholic school,
yeah, I didn't shorten my skirt in school, baby.
Anyways, but yeah, so I had a shot in the length. You don't gotta get the legs outside and thing.
Right.
I can't wait. I'm excited. I'm gonna sleep my costume on my bedside.
Clearly Simba is excited for this jump up.
I don't want a reason to jump up.
And I am just here for the good time.
I want a reason to jump up.
But you could have come and go get your facial too, and have a look one.
Girly, you could have come, but
I need a facial. I need a full. Yeah, we need a spa day, a couple spa day, babe. We really need one of those. We're So anyway, so I'm heading to the event and we gonna see what he do.
We got it.
Oh gosh!
So it is day number 2 of this bomb ass weekend and we are about to go to the Chris Brown and Little Baby concert. Alright, so I'm waiting on my friend. I'm just standing outside and yo, the sun is doing the do, like the makeup is makeuping. Okay, so this is my outfit. I didn't even get a chance to show you guys a full fit before I left the house, but yeah, that's the vibe we're on.
Let me be there one more time. I know that you need money. What the fuck going on? So I ain't gonna lie. You came outside to have a good fucking time tonight. Let me say hell yeah. I'm on my way. I'm going fast. I'm going home and kitchen. Let's go.
Okay y'all, so I am home from the excuse my toe. I'm home from the Chris Brown and Little Baby concert. It was so much fun. Good vibes. Okay, even though I don't know much of Chris Brown's new songs, but he did perform some older ones and it was a vibe. He's such a good performer overall. Like, I love going to shows like that with people who actually know how to put on a show. So it was a good vibe. Even though it was supposed to be a part of this October weekend thingamajig that Drake said he's including. Drake didn't make an appearance. They brought on Tory Lanez. Like, but I kind of had in the back of my mind was like, he probably won't come because it was originally a Chris Brown concert. He's on tour, right? So I'm like, so anyways, we have to get up in T-minus 6 hours to go to the Toronto Caribbean Heritage or Cultural Festival of Parades, or whatever the new name them call it. The name Caribana no more. But we're gonna just call it Caribana. We're going to Caribana. I'm gonna wake up at 7. We're supposed to meet at 10, but I want to give myself more time to do everything. I don't want it to be like Jamaica where I didn't know my costume was gonna take that long to put together. This costume seemed more simple, but you know, like, more make sure I have all that time to do all of that so we can go. We need to go. But I'm tired. I'm gonna go get some food. I'm gonna have a shower, and then I'm gonna see y'all in the next scene for the carnival. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog getting ready because it's gonna be too much hassle. I'm sorry. We're gonna see. So y'all, it is Caribana day, and everybody's out. Everybody's outside. Ah!
Oh, you want what? You know you want a pipe planted.
Straight out of Spanish Town, Jamaica. Pico! Woo!
We level it up.
Everybody go to the left, 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 to the left. Right there, right there, right there. Every day we go jump up in the streets like we run the town. We jump into the rhythm of every song.
So it is after 2. They said we're supposed to go across some stage right out. I can't see the stage. I'm hungry, I'm tired. I'm gonna get no water for drink, no ice to eat. There's literally nothing.
This flames. This is Saltina. There we go. Section. I want you to take out your hand right now and wave to the judges. Wave to the judges. Pray winner, pray winner. Oh my gosh. This flames. Everybody start to jump, jump, jump. Everybody wave your hand.
Last time I talked to y'all, we were at Caribana, and did my battery die? I don't think my battery died. We just like vibe for the rest of the time. Why do I look so bright? I think I need to turn on my brightness. Yeah, so we just vibed until it was over, and then we got some food and we went straight to bed. Like, I was tired, my feet was hurting for like 2 days. Like,
Please include that we bathe in there.
well, obviously we don't have a bed. Who the heck would have think that we would have bathed right after carnival? That's nasty.
Some people
But I think I have to tell these people that I had a shower.
Oh, you never know. Strange times, strange people, strange places.
Yeah, we're gonna leave them strange people that wanna like be to them strange selves. But that's nasty. That's anyways. So we got home, had a shower, and some food. Hey, would he eat some jerk pork? Oxtail from what the place name?
Barrel's Pepper Pot.
Barrel's Pepper Pot in Pickering. Listen no man.
Beryl, if you're listening to this, you want 10% off for the ad.
For the ad, oh you say, can we give them a show, alright? Cause the pork was porky. And the oxtail, and the rice and pieces of rice.
You know what I know that would have been good? When I went in there, when the app said food ready, when I went in there and tell me tea ready, and then after 15 minutes and tell me 10 more minutes.
Yeah, we keep on had to come back to the car because them didn't take long. And then somebody going there in Carnival costume.
I believe say, you know, I guess say what I believe say, but
I don't know what I believe say. Anyway.
You know what I believe.
So right now, it's approaching the end of the week. It's a Thursday, and we're about to, or we're on our way downtown to meet up with a friend from Jamaica. So we're gonna meet her downtown, and I think we're gonna go. To this restaurant called, I don't remember what the restaurant called, but we're gonna have something somewhere. And we were thinking of going up the sea. You've been up the CN Tower before, right? I've never been up the CN Tower. She said she did a tour at the city, a bus tour, but I don't know if she's ever been up the CN Tower. So maybe we'll go up the CN Tower first, and then how much we go up the CN Tower first of all? Because I think you have to pay like $40 or something.
When I was a freshie, but
I've never been.
I had a dinner up there, so included in it.
Probably, if it's sure reservation.
Yeah, so.
I've been here for almost like 8 years. This is my 8th. Wow, I've been here for a while. This is my 8th year in Canada. And I've never been up the CN Tower. So we're gonna see if we're gonna go up there today. But we're definitely eating. And then I was thinking we could do like the rec room after something fun and then go out. I don't know. We're gonna see where the day go. But I really want to go to this lobster bar place because the lobster be it look lobstering. So I'm just thinking about the food. On our way to the Burna Boy concert. You see who we have in the back? That's my mom. Say hi, mommy. So mommy is here with us, you know, Simba. So we're going to the vibe today. It is a festival called Cultureland, and we're going today and tomorrow. Tomorrow is Janae Aiko, but mommy decided to come today because she's a Burna Boy fan. So you know, we're gonna be last in, we're gonna be Shayoing and Igbo, we're gonna be Igbo and Shayoing all day.
Sing in your mind, please, and dance.
I need Igbo and Shayo.
Sing in your mind.
I need Igbo and Shayo.
Just hum. Just
you don't know all the words, so please.
Listen,
you don't know all the words.
Just hum it, so with the words that I don't know, I can just hum. Because, right, that's all you gotta do.
You don't cost, last. Now everybody go chop breakfast. It's chop, yeah. I know the words.
This is gonna be interesting.
So yeah, we're on our way. This is outside of Toronto in some bush. This event is happening in some farmland far away. So we gonna see the vibe when we get there. It's concert season, obviously. Like y'all don't know, it's concert season. So we gonna see the vibe.
I'm
Ready now, let's go. Tick tock, tick tock, tick. Listen, make I tell you what it's all about.
You wanna spend more time, spend more time.
Be the designer. I know say what you see, you go believe.
Bad man, I turn you like a steering
Everybody, bye bye. Young cars, last night, now everybody go to breakfast.
Just another sunny day in Southern California. It's where the people came to play. Don't let them transform you. Oh. Come and see what you've been missing. On the little slice of heaven. It's the only place we're living. It's that West Coast point of view. Easy when it's always summertime fun. You got every attitude. Who cares what the people think? It's been turning kinda gray in Southern California, but I'm allergic to the rain. What happened to euphoria? Don't worry about it, damn thing. I'm too excited, dark liquor with the palm trees. It's all or nothing, ooh, it's all or nothing. Ignore the signs and socialize. Come and see what you've been missing on a little slice of heaven. It's the only place we're living. It's that West Coast point of view. Easy when it's always summertime fun. You got every
Yo, get my vagina. Oh my god. Okay, so I am back home. Just went to a Prettylittlething pool party and it was a vibe. It was such a vibe. You know, Prettlelittlething events, when I go to these events, I meet all of my favorite influencers and stuff from Toronto, and it was just vibe. I'm tired though. I didn't even eat and I wasn't even there long. I was there for like 2.5 hours because it started at 2 and ended at 5. And you know, black people, we don't get there for 2. I got there like 3:20 and it ended at 5. So yeah, so right now I'm so tired. I need to pack my bags for my trip. And yeah, I already got my hair done, so I did my hair myself. I did a little goddess lock situation and it's so cute and I'm loving it. I didn't do a video on this because I've done so many lock videos. The only thing I did different with this style is that I added curly pieces, especially in the front. I don't usually like curly pieces because they tend to knot, but with this I use a human hair curly hair in the front. Like I bought a cheap bundle at the beauty supply store and I just like cut some of the hair. So that is what we did. Yada yada yada. I know we were supposed to see Janae Aiko one of these days in this vlog, but it was a festival called, what's it called? I don't remember. Cultureland. Big disaster. Big disaster. Like none of the artists even came. Like I didn't even bother to go because the morning when I woke up, I didn't feel like going. Like my spirit was telling me to stay home. So I guess God was on my side. So we didn't even go anywhere because I had a lot of work to do anyway. But as the day progressed, they changed the venue 2 hours before the event. And as soon as I saw that, I'm like, even though I wasn't planning to go, I still paid money for that day. And that's ridiculous. So it's like automatically I need a refund. Because who does that? And it's not like somewhere like, it's 2 completely different places. And then people went, and the venue that they had, something else was happening at the venue at the same time, so they had to wait till that event was over, and then had people there from 2 o'clock because the thing was supposed to start at 2. So people that are from 2 o'clock to 11 o'clock at night until them finally decide to tell people that it's just go home because none of the artists showed up. Like some scammer thing. I got a partial refund from them and that's not good enough. I need my whole money back. So we're gonna see how that goes because I disputed it with my bank. So I just want to give you guys an update because we were supposed to go to that. But that's it for this one. Your girl is tired. I need to pack. My room is a disaster. I need to pack and get my affairs in order. And that is all that I have for you beautiful people. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I know a lot of y'all be watching and not subscribing. Go ahead and subscribe, girl. Subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, and TikTok at Chev. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Go and pick up on yourself. Bye, guys.